In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen with CapCut. Okay, so let's say I have just installed my CapCut and I've just opened it. You can go ahead and access CapCut from your browser, and then you can see it over here. And then you can try online or you can download. It's available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Let's say I have downloaded mine. And once you open CapCut, before you go to the new project, you can see record screen over here. Okay, so let's click on it. Then you have to define the areas that you want to record. For example, right now you can see it's recording my full screen. You can decide to record a given section of a screen. You can move it to any section of your choice, depending on what you want to record. But for now, I want to record the entire screen, so I can easily adjust to record everything. Now down here, you have the option to open your camera, and you can select the camera that you want to use. This list will show you the list of available cameras connected to your system, so you can choose accordingly. And then this one gives you access to the microphones that you have connected to your system. And then we can be able to select also accordingly. The default is a system microphone, which is what I'm going to use for now. Then when you are done, you can click on start recording to start recording. You can move this to any axis of your choice. Just click on start. So you can see starting, it has just started and I'm saying something. And then you can always come over here and you can talk about something. Maybe the features of CapCut. It's a free tool that has paid version, but you can do quite a lot with CapCut. This is just a demonstration while I record my script. So assuming I'm okay with what I've recorded, I can just always come back and I can pause or stop the recording. In this case, I'm going to stop the recording and you can see automatically what I have recorded. If you want, you can play to have a preview of what you have recorded. So you can see starting, it has just started and I'm saying something, and then you can always come up. If this is what you want, you can always edit more. If you want, you can download it to your system. So let's go ahead and click on edit more, and it will take us to the CapCut platform. All right, so you can go ahead and do some of your basic editings over here, like cutting, joining, and removing some aspects that you want to remove, and even enhancing the sound and the likes. So you can always come over here and you can talk about something maybe. And once you're done recording, editing, and doing some basic things, you can always come to export, and then you can select video and unselect audio, define the location that you want to put it, and then give the file a name, and then you can export. So you just give some seconds and your export is ready and you can play it for you directly. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.